front of you on your desk. I'm going to give you a few more minutes. Yeah, I just said that's amazing. One more after this. Since you have 1, 2, 3 columns, you're supposed to have 5.
Look, I can just break this.
Nathan, I want to see it on yours.
That's what I do.
You got 5 columns. You got 5. Good job. You got 5 columns. Good job.
So that's a lot of wood. So why did you write that? I can. It's a
Excuse me.
Oh, look at her. Can I have this?
So now you got 5 columns and 3 rows. Yes, columns go up and down and rows go across. I see.
That would be one of those.
All right, guys. So let's come back up to the board. Yes, I will like that. So we have 5 columns. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and we have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to use stars this time, okay? Just going to put 1, 2, 5. Okay, and I'm going down to my second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. All right, somebody come up and give me a number sentence for the column. Come on up, Cassie. Give me a number sentence for each column. So how many are in each column? How many are in each column? Going down. How many you got? Right. Okay. Good job. All right, thumbs up. You got 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. Thumbs up. Okay, Hunter, come up and do an number sentence for the rows. Come up and do one for the rows. Be careful. Come up and do one for the rows. Right here. I want you to write going down this way. So how many are in each row? 3 rows. So how many are in each row? Shh, guys, I need you to listen up. Hunter's trying to write a problem for each row. Good job. All right. Who knows? Where did he get those 5s from? Where did he get that number 5 from? Who knows? Help me out. Allison. Where did he get that number 5? This number 5.
Because 5 plus 5 equals 10 and 5 more
True. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. But how did he know to put that number 5 right there? Chrislyn. There are 5 columns, so you know that there's 5 stars in each row because there are 5 columns. So you have 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. So you have how many in all, guys?
15.
15 in all. Last one, guys, I have one more. Then we're going to go into math station. Okay? And I want, after you do this one, I want you to think about that essential question. How are arrays and repeated addition related? How are they alike? How are they?
Related.
Related means how they're alike. How they're similar. You have 2 columns and 4 rows. I want you to draw me an array on your desk. Guess what? I'm going to come by and I'm going to give you some squirter to clean your desk off once we get finished. 2 columns and 4 rows. I'm coming around to see. Peyton's getting started. Thank you. Victor's getting started. Sierra's getting started. Carly has hers finished. Sophia's working. Walker is working. Kaylin is working. And Marcellus is working. Chrislyn is working. Luke is working. You go. Okay, so where your 2 columns? Where your 4 rows? All right, I want you to count how many in all, and then give me a number 10. Yes. And 4 rows. Make sure you have 2 columns and not 4 columns. You're only supposed to have 2 columns and 4 rows. Look at yours. Look at your number sentence, Sophia. You have your array correct, but how many are in each column? So it'll be what number right here? So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 equals how many? 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 8. Okay? All right, guys. I think everybody has it. Let's get ready to go up to the board and solve it. Okay, so you have 2 columns. 1, 2. Okay? And we have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to fill it in and I'm going to let you come up and do a repeated addition sentence. Number sentence. 1. So how many do we have in all, guys?
8.
8 in all. Good job. Peyton, come up and do a number sentence for the number in each column. Do a number number sentence for columns. Yes. Write a number sentence for the columns. For the columns. Okay? Wait a minute. Look, how many are in each column? Good job. All right. Let's see. Can I have Kaylin come up? Okay. Now, give me a number sentence for the rows. How many are in each row? Okay. Good job. 2 plus 2 more plus 2 more plus 2 more equals 8. Great job, guys. You did really good today. What I would like for you to do, turn your attention to the board. How are arrays and repeated addition related? Who can answer that question for me? Who can answer that? Chrislyn. You use adding is involved. Can you explain it to me a little more? When you say it's adding involved, adding what? Excuse me? Okay, repeated addition, you add the same number, okay? In arrays, who else has something? How are they related? Allison.
They have double and they have the same number.
Okay, you can use doubles when doing arrays. And they do have, and repeated addition involves the same number, okay? We're going to keep talking about it this week, and then by tomorrow, we're going to try to answer that essential question again, okay? Peyton. No, it's time to go to math station. All right, everybody put your markers and your socks in the middle of your table. Okay, this week is my 7th week in 2nd grade. I recorded a lesson for math. I've been teaching all subjects. The math lesson that I taught is dealing with arrays, which are dealing with rows and columns, as well as repeated addition problems. The students are drawing arrays and making repeated addition sentences, number sentences with the amount of rows as well as the amount of columns, because the unit that we're still in is Unit 6 and we're developing multiplication strategies. I felt like this was a good activity. We're towards the end of the year and I know the students are tired, so I'm trying to bring as much fun into the activity as possible because, you know, time is winding down and they're tired of school. So we had dry erase markers and I let them write on their desk, and I had different problems up on the active board, and I helped them solve the first problem, but the next problems I had them solve independently and they could get help from the members in their group. I felt like it was a good activity and the children. I kind of did a teacher observation just to see where they are, to see if they kind of understand, if they don't, and majority of them understand the concept of the rows and columns. They're still having trouble with writing repeated addition sentences, and I'm going to turn it over to Ms. Lackey and let her give you some feedback.
You are continuing to build on prior knowledge. You moved from the working with the repeated addition and arrays. You moved from the concrete, which was building the array,